Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Original Craft Oasis. Welcome to Craft Oasis, your ultimate destination for original handmade creation. At Craft Oasis, we celebrate the art of traditional craftsmanship, where every piece tells a story of dedication and passion. Our pottery artisan mold glaze into unique forms, each piece infused with their artistic flair and attention to detail. From hand-carved wooden sculpture to finely crafted furniture, our woodworkers bring nature beauty to life with their meticulous craftsmanship. Our weavers skillfully entwine threads to create vibrant textile, weaving together colors and patterns inspired by nature and culture. Step into your oasis and immerse yourself in a world of creativity and inspiration. Whether you are seeking a unique gift or a special piece for your home, Craft Oasis has something for everyone. Craft Oasis, where tradition meets art history. Discover the beauty of handmade creations today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give a like to this video and also subscribe this channel, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and also press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.